Oh my gosh, she just got hit by a car! Hiya Muffins, welcome to part 2 of my Rags and Riches. Last time we left Sam, we left her at the bar and she took a nap on the couch. We weren't that great with trying to, I would say we weren't that successful, but we also weren't a failure. This episode I kind of want to focus on really hitting it on the head with getting her needs met. Also, finding a very good way of income. If you guys have any ideas or things that could help me, leave those in the comments below. But without further ado, yes, eat those, girl. That did absolutely nothing. Here you go. Wash again, wash again, wash again. Yeah, look at us. We're getting so smart. We're getting so smart. Clean that nastiness, girl. Let's go and maybe go to a coffee shop and try to see if somebody left some coffee on the table. What is this? No, I'm already there. Coffee, coffee, yay! Okay. I mean, we're not that great at gardening, and when have I ever met Lucas? Hey Sam, we'd love to have you join Garden Gnomes. What do you think? Yeah, sure, whatever. Welcome to the Garden Gnomes. I'm happy that you have decided to join our club. We're having a club gathering and would love for you to introduce yourself to the group. We're meeting at Hiyaa Square. It's a great day to spend the time outside. Join us at the park. Are you going to make it? Are we going to make it? Sure, why not? Sam hates children. Wow.
What the fuck?
I can't talk. Okay. Sam hates children. These Sims fear parenthood, loathe the presence of children, and become happy from being mean to younger folk. Who is this? Lily Fing. She's bored too. Look at Sam pretending like she knows what she's doing. Girl, we both know you just got this skill. I know we just got this skill, but let me go get it, okay? Alright, that's all I wanted to say. Thank you very much. I really do want to, earn some type of money. Ooh, okay, can I garden in here? Let's do some starter vegetables. Oh my god, have I been eating spoiled french fries? Oh my god, can I sell these though? No, of course I can't. Maybe we should start off at the lot. Let's just plant some gardening stuff. Try to get that situated or whatever. Okay, so we're on our lot right now, and I'm thinking it's time to kind of start where we're gonna have like our planting and stuff. So let's go into build mode here. Oh my god, that's $200. Oh, this is really bad already. Okay, let's just put the two that we. Oh, we're only gonna have $5. Okay, we're just gonna do it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Let's grow some spinach, and then let's grow a carrot. Plant, and plant. Oh, what are you doing? Yeah, oh my gosh, she just got hit by a car! She like doesn't even care. Yeah, girl, I know you're hungry. Why don't you eat one of these carrots? Okay, let's go to the festival, see what we can get from there. Let's meet Lily a little more. She seemed kind of cool. Okay, so we're at the festival. We're just an extremely angry person. I mean, we don't have any money. We literally have $5 to our name. We're starving, and there's just so much stuff that's going on, and we want to be mean. We don't want to apologize. Let's insult her. You suck. You have money. Oh girl, get your life together. It's so embarrassing. Oh my god. Well, I don't like you anyways, so no. Oh no. The worst possible thing that could happen to you. Yeah, I mean, yeah. What else is gonna like? I don't know what to do from here. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Well, I can get a thumbnail really quick. This is just so sad. I don't know what to do. I'm so bad at this, guys. I thought that I'd be able to do this, but I don't know anymore. You know, this would be the perfect time to do what I usually do and cheat and put all her needs up, but that would defeat the point of the rags to riches, which is making this so much harder. Have these grown at all? What? What? Oh my god, that was so scary. Oh, okay. Here, let's dig. 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 Dig, 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 dig. Chrysanthemum! Okay, so I think that's all that's around here that we can do. But we are gonna get this because let's be age, we need it. Okay, so well, she could take pictures and sell the pictures and just get really good at photography. That'd be kind of cool. That'd be like a different way. I haven't really seen that anywhere. Of course, it's kind of a difficult thing to do. I mean, you're starving, girl. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. No! Oh, I can't do anything with you acting like this. Alright, let's pause. We need a new game plan. Also, this is a really cool thumbnail. Or maybe not a thumbnail, but we'll see. Let's see what I get out of this. This is like not, it's just like to make it look cuter. To have some aesthetic so she doesn't feel, can I sell this? Oh. This doesn't mean much, but I mean, it already kind of looks a little better, you know? So I'm definitely going to continue playing because I don't really want to add my Let's Play second part on that note either. We did get a little, you know, progress, but I kind of want, I don't want to finish playing, and I also don't want to play off camera because that would just be rude. Oh, is this a picture? Does it not move? Where am I? Oh, okay. Let's see here. Alright, well, I think that's an okay picture. Let's see. Let's choose a filter for it. Yeah. So let's see how much we actually are getting for the pictures. I mean, they suck. Okay. I can see that. Let's just sell all of these. $18. Not that bad. Okay, so we don't technically need a shower because we can kind of shower in other places, but maybe fire. It's $4.50. It's $4.75. Let's just go visit. Oh my god, how could you? Oh, I'm so mad. Oh my god, I'm so mad. Or I can actually go to a gym. Let's go to a gym because they usually have showers, so we can get you showered in there. That's smart. See, now I'm thinking. I don't know if you guys heard me clap, but I just clapped. One, pause her because she's crazy and she does crazy stuff. Yay! And use the bathroom. Okay. That already puts us in like a really good state right there. Okay. Oh, and then we can like dance. Yes, I think I have a great plan right now. This is great. We're doing great. Yes, 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 yes. Now we're getting it. He has no idea that I am homeless. Ugh, isn't this a mood? This is a mood. Put it in inventory. Like, do you want to be broke for the rest of your life? No, I don't think so. Okay, so let's sell that. Let's go back home because we have some guap. You know, some cha-ching, cha-ching. 450. Oh my god. Yay! Can I get like a cool little like? How much is this? We can just get you a little stump. Okay, that's 50. This is 60. This is 135. That's 80. Let's go for the cheaper one. Let's get you a stump so you can sit on. We're gonna go take you fishing. Hey. Okay, we're gonna do it a little bit more until we get her skill up. Which is gonna be very soon, actually. Yay, okay, so we leveled up. Guys, I'm so happy. Okay, she does have to pee really bad though. So we might have to go, let's do the frog because she has been getting a lot of frogs. So it's kind of cute. Well, you roast this damn fish, please. We're eating. She pees on herself a lot. I feel like her biggest problem is trying to have a conversation with anybody. I feel like she's always uncomfortable, and that's what makes it extremely difficult her to talk to people. But so far, I think this is really cute. This has become really adorable. Go back to the gym. I guess we just figured out kind of that the gym is where we're gonna go take a shower, use the bathroom until I can afford to get her a bush. So she can use the bathroom and afford to get her, I guess, a shower. So she. Oh my god, this is gonna be like the first time that I'm getting all of her stuff up, and she's. This is so great. This is so great. This is amazing. As we're doing stuff, we're doing stuff. Yes. Let's do a full one because look at that body, girl. You just worked out. Gym selfie. Okay, so basically what I want to do before we put her to bed and we end this Let's Play is just kind of plan. There you go. Mm-hmm. Yep. Okay, so can I buy her a shower now? Oh my god, I have like just enough. Guys. Ah! Okay, this is great. This is great. I love this. I love this so much. This is amazing. This is amazing. Look at all this progress. We have a shower. Look at that. Okay guys, well with this being said, I guess I'm going to end part 2 of Rags to Riches here. I hope that it was a little better than the last one. I noticed that it wasn't as laggy. I did try to fix my MacBook Air for that, but just like I was saying before, leave comments below, maybe giving me some tips or tricks on how to kind of be a little bit better with this because I am not failing, but I'm not the best at it. I think so far we did some really good progress. And next episode, I kind of want to focus on maybe getting her a boyfriend or a girlfriend. We don't know. And then just kind of getting in a routine where we can sell all of these and just get, you know, enough money to get something more of a little house than just a tent. Even though the tent is kind of cute. I'm not going to lie. This is not that bad of a setup. it's a little adorable, if I do say so myself. I mean, it's not like amazing, but it's cute. Guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, muffins!
What is it you want? You can lie, but I know that you're not fine.